Looking for a whimsical addition to your Christmas cake? Have you ever considered a Nutcracker Cake Topper? This festive piece draws its charm from the beloved Nutcracker Ballet, a holiday tradition for many. Stick around to learn how to create a Nutcracker Cake Topper that will make your Christmas cake a showstopper. Before we get started, gather up all the necessary ingredients and tools. You'll need fondant, an array of food coloring, a few paintbrushes, and a sprinkle of edible glitter. These are the magical elements that bring our Nutcracker to life. Once you have all your materials ready, it's time to start creating. Creating a Nutcracker Cake Topper is easier than you might think. It all starts with shaping the fondant. Imagine you're a sculptor, and this sweet, pliable substance is your clay. Mold it into the iconic Nutcracker figure, paying attention to details like the tall hat, the mustache, and the characteristic uniform. Next, it's time to bring our Nutcracker to life with color. Using food-safe paint, give your soldier a vibrant coat, a bright face, and gleaming boots. Remember, the devil's in the details. Lastly, for that extra touch of holiday magic, sprinkle your Nutcracker with edible glitter. Watch as it sparkles, adding a whimsical charm to your creation. Now that you have your Nutcracker crafted, it's time to place it on your cake. The final step is placing your Nutcracker on top of your cake. Ensure it's secure and looking splendid. Remember, personalize your Nutcracker to match your cake's theme or color scheme. And just like that, you've added a whimsical Nutcracker topper to your Christmas cake. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more cake decorating tips and tricks.